Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a review of the Mini Belt Sander Multifunctional Electric Belt Grinder. Let's see if this little dynamo is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, the all-copper movement. This thing is built to last with reliable performance thanks to its efficient power transmission. No more worrying about your sander giving up halfway through a project. Now let's talk speed. With 7 adjustable gears, you have complete control. Whether you need a gentle touch or high-speed grinding, this sander's got you covered. Adjust the speed to match your task and get that precise finish every time. Speaking of precision, the grinding wheel function is on point. You can accurately grind various materials, making it a versatile tool for any workshop. And the best part? It runs with minimal noise, so your neighbors won't hate you for those late-night projects. The build quality here is impressive too. Made from high-quality cold-rolled silicone steel sheets, this sander boasts great toughness, wear resistance, and low friction. It's tough, enduring, and ready to take on whatever you throw at it. Not to mention, this mini belt sander is a multitasking marvel. Sanding, polishing, and more, it handles it all. Whether you're working on industrial machinery, household appliances, or automotive systems, this tool has got your back. In the box, you get the grinding machine, a set of hexagonal wrenches, screws, a plug, polishing wheel, polishing wax, and 2 grinding wheels in white and orange. It's everything you need to get started right away. So, is the Mini Belt Sander worth it? Absolutely! With its reliable performance, precise control, and multifunctionality, it's a solid investment for any tool enthusiast. Check it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tool reviews. Catch you in the next one!